Fujifilm's lens lineup is known for sharp optics, compact design, and strong color rendering. From portraits to wildlife, here are the 5 best Fujifilm lenses. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. Fujifilm 1024. The Fujifilm 1024 is the best Fujifilm lens for video because it combines ultra-wide coverage, stabilization, and reliable autofocus in one versatile package. Its 10 to 24 focal range makes it ideal for vlogging, real estate, travel, and cinematic wide shots, where capturing more of the scene is essential. For video creators, one of its biggest strengths is optical image stabilization. Quiet, fast autofocus driven by a stepping motor keeps focus transitions clean and unobtrusive during recording. Minimal focus breathing and internal focusing further enhance cinematic results. Add weather resistance and a constant f4 aperture, and the 10-24 becomes a dependable, travel-friendly video lens for Fujifilm shooters who need flexibility, stability, and consistent image quality in one compact tool. Number 4. Fujifilm 150-600. The Fujifilm 150-600 is the best telephoto Fujifilm lens, thanks to its extreme reach, portability, and pro-level performance. Covering 150 to 600, it lets photographers capture wildlife, sports, and distant subjects with remarkable detail. It also supports teleconverters, extending the reach up to an incredible 1,200 mm equivalent for super telephoto shooting. Despite its long range, the lens is relatively lightweight and features an inner zoom design that maintains balance and handling during shooting. Powerful 5-stop optical image stabilization helps reduce camera shake, enabling sharper handheld images even at extreme focal lengths. Fast autofocus, weather sealing, and durable construction make it reliable for outdoor and wildlife environments. Together, its unmatched reach, stabilization, and image quality make the 150-600 the ultimate telephoto choice for Fujifilm shooters. Number 3. Fujifilm 816. The Fujifilm 816 is the best wide-angle lens for Fujifilm thanks to its ultra-wide coverage, professional optics, and constant fast aperture. Its 8-16 captures expansive landscapes, architecture, interiors, and dramatic perspectives that standard wide lenses simply can't match. A constant f/2.8 aperture delivers excellent low-light performance and creative depth control, making it ideal for night photography and astrophotography. The lens also features fast, quiet, linear motor autofocus and weather-resistant construction for reliable outdoor shooting. Its ability to combine extreme width with professional image quality makes it a top choice for landscapes, interiors, and creative wide-angle work. Overall, the 816 stands out as Fujifilm's most capable ultra-wide lens for photographers who want maximum field of view, premium build, and consistently sharp results. Number 2. Fujifilm 56mm. The Fujifilm 56mm is the best portrait lens for Fujifilm, thanks to its ideal focal length, stunning bokeh, and professional image quality. Its 56mm focal length delivers flattering perspective for faces and natural subject compression, making it perfect for portraits. The fast f/1.2 aperture creates a shallow depth of field, allowing subjects to stand out against beautifully blurred backgrounds, while also performing excellently in low light. It also features fast, precise autofocus, durable build quality, and weather-resistant design, making it reliable for professional portrait sessions and outdoor shoots. Number 1. Fujifilm 1655. The Fujifilm 1655 is the best all-round Fujifilm lens because it covers the most useful focal range while delivering professional image quality. Its 16-55 works for landscapes, street, travel, portraits, and everyday shooting, reducing the need to switch lenses. A constant f2.8 aperture provides excellent low-light performance and smooth background blur across the entire zoom range, making it reliable for both photography and video. The Mark II version is significantly lighter and more compact than its predecessor, improving portability for travel and daily use. It also features fast linear motor autofocus and weather-resistant construction for dependable shooting in tough conditions. Because it combines versatility, sharpness, durability, and a fast aperture in one lens, the 1655 stands out as the ultimate do-everything Fujifilm lens for creators and professionals. Also, if you're looking for best Fujifilm camera, check out this video.